Hello dear friends, if you wanna have your Telegram account QR code, then follow the steps that I'm showing here in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Now at the top left corner, click on this trillion icon. Now click on settings. Now look at the top right corner, you'll see a QR code icon here, so click on it. Now you get your QR code here. First thing first, you can take a screenshot of this page and then you can share that QR code to anybody. And if you want to customize your QR code, you can do that too. So there are some options below your main QR code. I've selected the first one. If you select the second one, and if I select the third one, you can change the color a little bit. And there is one more option here. Look at the right side of QR code option. If you click here, you can use your QR code in night mode. And if you want to scan the QR code of other Telegram users, you can do that too. Just click on scan QR code option to scan other users' QR code. And now scan the QR code. So that was the very simple way to get your own Telegram account QR code. Hope the video will help you to have your own Telegram account QR code. And if you want more helpful and informative videos like this, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tutorial. Till then, thank you, bye bye.